welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Thembeka Kgasi. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're coming back for more, you made the right choice. So before we get into this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, also click on the bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. As you guys can see, I'm so excited about this vlog. I'll be vlogging a couple of activities. I've bought some equipment for my channel because for the longest time I've wanted to invest in my channel. So I finally took that step, and I thought it would be nice for me to share that with you guys. So let's just get into it. So the first activity definitely is unboxing my ring light. So I purchased this LED soft ring light. It's a 21-inch. So I'm so excited about this one. This is literally the third time I'm unboxing this ring light. Let me just adjust the crop so that you guys can see me unbox it from scratch. So yes, just opening this up. So the ring light comes in a bag, and in this bag is literally where you get the ring light. So I'm going to start off by unboxing and putting together this tripod. Shall we? Don't break. There we go. I'll just put this up like that, and then I'll just adjust the screws so that it doesn't move. Okay, and then next step is just adjusting this part. So I'll just bring it up a bit, just lock it so that you guys can see the light. Ouch, almost fell, guys. So guys, I'm just going to adjust the camera a bit so that you can see me arrange this light. So let's just bring it here, just take it down a bit. Oh no, don't break it. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this box, just put it here. So this is the lights, guys. I'm so excited. I'm just going to adjust it. Open it up. And then put it on here. Just look it up, keep it straight. So guys, I'm definitely back. I'm going to finish off setting up the ring light. So I'm just going to use this to just put it in here. That's where you place your phone, or your camera when taking pictures or filming videos or whatever. So I've just put it in. Now I'm going to switch on the light, guys. Check this out. As you can see, I can choose whichever lighting I want at that moment. So you can make it like less bright and more brighter. Let me just show you. Like right now it's off, right? And then now the more I increase the intensity, the more brighter it becomes. So I'm so excited about this investment, guys. I'll just take this thing out so that we can talk properly. So the ring light comes with a remote also. Let me show you guys the remote. It comes with the remote. I haven't tried the remote. Let's just try it on. So now I'm pressing the, oh no, I don't have batteries. I remember I don't have batteries, so I can't show you if the remote works or not. I just have to go get batteries, guys. I was just super excited to film this video. Didn't even think I don't have batteries. This is so embarrassing, but anyway, it's live. So yeah, you saw the remote, guys. So now it's time for me to just turn the ring light around and just show you how good this lighting is. As you can see. This is cool, right? Which button is the, see, that's on off. So as you can see, I'm just changing the lighting. Like my Instagram is gonna go from like a 2 to like a 10, guys. And I know I don't post a lot on Instagram. The reason I haven't been posting a lot on my Instagram is because I've been trying to fix my filming space. Like I want my videos to be top quality, so I've been using most of my money towards that. So, and I haven't been having time to film videos and or like take pictures for Instagram and post and all of that. But now my life is sorted, guys. I've sorted out my things. I have my plans accordingly, and I will make sure that I am active on Instagram. So that for now, I'm currently using Instagram to, like, if I have a new video, I just let you guys know on my Instagram that I have a new video. So I'll just put my handle down below, my Instagram handle down below. Make sure that you follow me, guys. And yeah, I hope we're going to become this one big family, and we're going to create this beautiful relationship together and build it and grow it. And one day, guys, we will have a big channel, or I will have a big channel, and I'll have like a lot of subscribers. And like, that's my goal. I need a lot of subscribers. But it's not just about having a lot of subscribers, it's about creating a relationship with your subscribers, posting quality content for them, just plugging them. And that's what I'm about, and that's the reason why I created this YouTube channel. I really love shoes. Like guys, I'd rather not have anything else besides shoes. Like clothes and all of that, I'm not too much into that, but shoes, I love shoes. So on my channel, I don't only post shoe content. Like recently I've been posting vlogs, I've been posting I tried also makeup content. I've been posting a whole lot of stuff, but the 3 things I think I would rather focus on right now is posting shoe content, hauls, so like your try on hauls, and vlogs. That's what you guys must expect in the next few weeks and months. So yeah, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, drop me a comment, guys. I would really appreciate getting comments from you guys. Just let me know if you think I've taken a drastic step in investing in my channel. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers. Currently I have like 65 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'll make sure that I respond to your comments in time. So if you want to know anything, or you would like to ask me any question regarding the ring light, or anything for that matter that you've seen on my channel, or that you assume I might know, make sure that you just drop me a comment, and feel free, guys. Like, we are a family, man. A family, you understand? So right now, guys, I'm going to do my makeup. For the longest time ever, I had been using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation, and the only problem I had with this foundation was that number one, it's matte. I know it says matte on the packaging. Number two, it doesn't cover my mark, it doesn't cover my dark circles, so I had to definitely find something else. So I looked at a few YouTube videos just to find an affordable foundation, and I came across this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So my shade is the shade 60 Caramel. So you guys get an opportunity to watch me do my makeup on camera using this foundation. So as you can see, I've already started with my brows, so I'll just continue filling them. Guys, for the longest time ever, I've been wanting to take out the star on my tooth, like it must just go. And then I want like nice clear white teeth. Let's just do that. Ish, cover the coverage, guys. Looks really nice. I need my brush for this part. There we go. Yay, don't fall. Oh, cover this coverage, guys. Lit. This foundation is the girl, guys. Definitely is the girl. I'm so impressed. It is a dewy foundation, exactly what I love. Like previously, I thought using a matte foundation works better, but I mean, guys, check this out. It's just the girl is on point. Okay, I'm done with foundation now. Now I'm using the LA Girl Show Concealer. I've seen people on YouTube, like a lot of YouTubers like KMs, Kiamo, Mihlali, like they always highlight the under eyes. So I've never done this before, so as you can see, I'm just applying a bit of this on there. I'm not even sure whether I'm doing the correct thing, but there's a first time for everything. Yo. Hi, anyway. There you go. Now I'm just going to blend out that highlighter. or the concealer rather. Here we go. Just looking up. Cover the highlight. I'm just using my lash and gel mascara from Essence. Like, I've tried, this is the only brow mascara I've ever tried. It provides this nice hold on your brows, guys. It's amazing. Here we go. There we go. Now it's time to contour. I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. Just soften this up a bit with my big beauty blender. As you can see, it's quite harsh, guys. The curl is contoured, guys. Like, check this out. Anyway, now I'm going to try a blush. I'm going to reach out for my LA Girl blush palette. Like, I'm not a person that uses blush on my face, but let's just try it. Just taken this LA Girl blush collection. Just reach out for the pink color. I don't know whether I'm taking the dark one or the light one. Just blush up a bit. Yo, I'm pink. The girl is girl up. I think that's it. I honestly don't know how to use blush, guys. Let's reach out for this brown. This is perfect. There we go. I'm definitely looking dolled up, guys. So excited about this journey. Using the Maybelline Colossal Black Mascara. Excuse me. Strobing powder. Guys, my uncle is here and he's shouting my name, just imagine. Anyway, There we go. Setting spray, my Rimmel London setting spray. Woo. That was a lot. Like, guys, I love this look so much. This foundation is the bomb. Like, I don't know much about foundations and stuff, but I love how this one also feels on my face. It's lightweight, it doesn't feel matte. So that's exactly what I was saying earlier. It's a dewy foundation, it's not a matte foundation. So if you're looking for something matte, I don't think you should go for this. Or you can make a matte using like a translucent powder, then you'll be fine. Guys, that's the completed look. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. My next video will be hot, so you definitely need to make sure you subscribe.